Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to our new video about how to make money or even make more money using GiveMeData. So, I actually created this blog post to give you a few ideas about what I think you can do with GiveMeData. There are many ways to make money using data. We are in 2023, or I don't know when you're going to watch that, but data works a lot, especially if it's like live data, as we can provide for you, and if you know what to do with the data. So I hope you like the photos as well. I invested a lot in Midjourney 5 with these photos. So thank you, Midjourney. This is a good one. And let me give you just a short heads up about what I think you can do. So just a bit about me, if you don't know me, so it's amazing to see you and to meet you. Thank you for watching the video. My name is Adi. I am a growth hacker. I'm expert in everything about social media automation, online reputation, in branding, in using any cool tools like that. I love to find new ways to get better results and to scale up. Um, and I all the time trying to share the things with you in order to also help you in your journey to get better results, to make more money and have more success. So let's start. So just to share with you again, this is my own opinion. You can make a lot of money using this kind of stuff. I just wrote like as a joke, like 30K, but you can even do 100K or 1 million. There's no limit. It's everything in our mind. This is what I think. And yes, so method number one is to sell the data. Okay, so using Give Me Data, you can get different types of information. You can get emails, you can get phone numbers, you can get a data of followers of specific accounts. We can scrape the followers, following, and profile data. We are going to add also more features and more cool stuff over here. It's just the start, just to let you know. So let's say you can scrape all of the people who following an entrepreneurship account like Gary V. Let me show you. Yes, so for example, I can take his followers. Let's say I want to sell the people who follow Gary Vee are probably like young people who are looking to be entrepreneurs. Not only young, could be they already have some business, but this is like their mindset. And maybe I can sell this data for people who his target audience is entrepreneurs. So what I can do, I can actually take his username. I can go to Give Me Data. I can scrape a bit of his followers and then I can scrape their profile data. Sorry. So profile data means to find any kind of like public email, phone, and so on, right? And then basically what I can do, I can sell this data. What do I mean with selling the data? It can be like for like B2B companies who are looking to sell, I don't know, entrepreneurship, digital online courses, and all of this kind of stuff. Um, so I can sell it also in websites like Fiverr and Upwork. There are many people who just they don't know that there are tools like Give Me Data which actually exist, and then you can utilize this tool to sell them the data. So this is like one option. You can also go to LinkedIn, do some outreach campaign to people who are interested in data. You can do WhatsApp groups because you will have the numbers, so you can add all of the people into one group. I will also make a video about that if you want. You can DM people on WhatsApp. You can do a lot of stuff. So this is like one method to sell the data. You can open a gig on Fiverr. There are many people who just want to, I don't know, buy B2B emails. You can play with that. You can open gig and you can make money like that. You can go to Upwork. It's also like pretty well-known website. Facebook groups. Some people just need data list of specific accounts and so on. So this is method number one, just to sell the data itself. You don't need to do anything with the data, just to sell it to another third party. Method number three is to sell your own stuff. Okay. So let's say you have a business, you have e-commerce store, you're selling, I don't know, jewelry or shirts or hats or I don't know, you're selling something. So basically what you can do is in Give Me Data, you can utilize this kind of a data you will get. For example, let's get Gary V. So let's say this is my audience. I don't know, I have a digital course and I want to do email marketing to people that I know following Gary V. And mistake it's gone, sorry. And I want to offer them to join my webinar and to learn about what I can do. So I put all of the information here. I click on extract. Yep. And basically, this is how I can get their emails and their phones. So I can send them email. Of course, I need to check the GDPR rules and everything about email marketing, which we'll also have a special guide about that. We are getting into that, but I can do many stuff. I can also send calls. I can just call people. I can send text messages. I can send WhatsApp messages. Um, I can do a lot of kind of this stuff, right? Like just to get to sell my own stuff using this type of outreach. So if you have a business, that this is a great method to do that. Yeah, now you can see it's pending, it's still working. And it's how you can sell your own product or service, even if it's like a service. If you do digital marketing and you want to get more clients, you can email them about your service. You can give them 7 days free trial or something. So this is method number 2. Method number 3, my favorite, is to grow your Instagram followers organically, just like that. So you can get the data from GiveMeData, and then basically you can use this data and insert it in another tools such as sharing tools or Social, which we're also working with this tool to grow your account and engage with relevant followers. Okay, let me show you that. Yes, so you can see my account on this platform on sharing tools. I'm doing a lot of testing, a lot of games, a lot of anything that you want on my account. Sorry. And basically, what I'm also doing, I'm targeting. I got some ideas from Give Me Data, and this is like how I'm growing my own account. For example, today I already grow with 10 followers, but it's only 11 a.m. So I have all the day to grow into 30 and 50 followers. I'm also, by the way, document this kind of testing with Give Me Data and sharing tools. So if you want to see a bit about my testing, you can check about these 2 videos. I will also attach the link. This is a beautiful dog, by the way, King Charles. So yes, so this is about that. So you can do it with Give Me Data, sorry, with sharing tools, with Social, which we also have a guide about Social and how to use it. It's basically the alternative of Jarvee for 2023. You have a full guide I made with Tal Klinger about it. 2,000 views, it's nice. It just 3 months ago, so it's pretty relevant. So you can check this out as well. And let's continue. Okay, sorry. Method number 4, and I think this will be the last method. It's about to use this kind of data and to insert this information in paid ads. So I don't know if you know that, but you can create custom audience in both Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach out to specific people. Now, of course, you need to make sure the email which they have on Instagram is the same email they have on like their Instagram login or Facebook login or LinkedIn login. But many people actually have the same email. So this is how you can actually target them and you can insert them. I add a guide over here about how to use it on the paid ads. Maybe you already know that. There's also a lot of content about this specifically. But yes, this is like the 4 methods that I think this is the main method you can do money with Give Me Data. Again, there is no limit. There is no, you can do whatever you want, basically. I wrote 30K. You can see the face. You can do much more. You can combine all of this method. You can focus on one method. You can contact me and ask me any question if you have something in your mind and you're not sure if this is the right way, if this is the right niche, maybe you should do something else. So feel free. I'm here. I will also attach my Telegram. I hope it's okay, Telegram. And that's it, guys. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't signed up to Give Me Data yet, just go to the website. I will attach the link. Sign up. You will get 14 days free trial, 10K coins for free just to test it out, just to play with the tool and to see how it goes. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.